G is for grapes, 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 grapes. Good, 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 grape. H is for hat, a hat, a hat. I is for igloo, I glue, I glue, I glue. J is for jelly, 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 jelly. Jelly on a plate, hey! Jelly on a plate, hey! Whipple wobble, jelly. K is for kite, kite, kite.
Kite up into the sky.
L is for lion, a lion. I'm a lion, the lion. M is for monkey, monkey, monkey. A nest, a nest, a nest. Is for orange, 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 orange. P is for piano, 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 piano. Q is for quill, quill, quill.
Get that!
R is for rainbow, 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 rainbow. S is for snowman, snowman. D is for tree, tree. U is for unicorn, 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 unicorn. V violin, violin, violin. I play my violin and sing. I love my violin, la 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 la. U is for wardrobe, wardrobe, wardrobe. X is for xylophone, 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 xylophone.
Xylophone. Xylophone.
Y is for yogurt, yogurt, yogurt.
Let's have yogurt, nice and cold, all different flavors, fruity and bold. Having yummy yogurt will help your bones grow strong. Now it's time to dance around and sing this song. Yogurt, 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 yum. Yogurt, yogurt.
Z is for zoo, zoo. Now we've sung our A.